Hello friends, today I am going to define a new topic that is molecular orbital diagram of helium molecule. Helium atom, number of electron in helium atom is 2, so electronic configuration will 1s2, and there is second helium atom also, so number of electron is 2, so electronic configuration will be 1s2, and both atom have 2 electron, so number of electron will be a 4 in a molecule. Now we will see how we will fill a 4 electron in a molecular orbital. So this is the diagram, and how electrons are filling in this molecular orbital. Electronic configuration of helium molecule is sigma 1s2 and sigma star 1s2. So total number of electron is 4. So here is 2 and here is 2. Here is in this orbital, molecular orbital, star sign is not present, so it is bonding orbital, and here is sign of star is present, so it is anti-bonding molecular orbital. So in diagram we will see that this is first atom of helium, first helium atom, this is second helium atom. Now AO is atomic orbital and MO is molecular orbital. So number of electron in helium atom is 2. So they will present in a 1s orbital. So this is the 1s orbital. So both electron are present here. Similar will be in this side also. This is helium atom and number of electrons are 2. So they will present in a 1s atomic orbital. So 2 electrons are present here. Now we will see how they are combining with each other. When first helium atom and second helium atom will combine with each other, then 2 molecular orbitals are formed, that is sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. Total number of electrons are 4, so 2 will be in a bonding orbital and 2 will be in a anti-bonding orbital. Total number of electrons are 4. So these are the molecular orbital. This is bonding molecular orbital and this is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now we will calculate the bond order of a helium molecule. So this is the bond order. Bond order is equal to 1 by 2 Nb minus Na. What is Nb here? Nb is the number of electron which are present in a bonding orbital, and Na is number of electron which are present in a anti-bonding orbital. So we will count from how many electrons are present in a bonding orbital, and here we will see how many electrons are present in anti-bonding orbital. So we will see here, we can see from here on here, from anywhere we can see. So bonding orbital without the sign of star, the 2 electrons are present here, so we will write here 2, and here 2 in anti-bonding molecular orbital 2 electrons are present, so the 2 electrons are here. And when we will calculate this, we will solve this, so answer is coming 0. 0 means between 2 helium atom bond is not present. It means helium molecule does not exist. So this topic is completed. Thank you.